Now, metals and non-metal can be distinguished on the basis of their physical properties. What are the physical properties? The properties which we study externally without changing the nature of particular substance, those are called physical properties. Which are the physical properties then of non-metal and metal, on the basis of which we can group them into two categories, broad categories, metal and non-metal, is malleability, ductility, conductivity, sonorous behavior, lustrous nature, and hardness. These properties are called physical properties. Now first malleability. Now there are different material at our home. This is, for example, you have eaten a Cadbury chocolate. This Cadbury is wrapped in a foil. This is nothing but aluminum foil. Or you might have gone through the Chyawanprash. The Chyawanprash is covered with shiny layer. Or you are making different type of ornaments, some leafy elemental structures we are putting in our necklace. So when you are beating a particular substance with the help of hammer, if it has the nature of spreading, such type of behavior of that metal is known as malleable metal. And the property of that material to be made into sheets is called malleability. So malleability is the property of metal to be made into sheets. So you can get the iron sheets, you can get aluminum sheets in market, you can spread gold on beating it with hammer, you have silver foils. So these material can be made into sheets. So this is making sheet is nothing but the property is malleability. Sulfur you cannot draw into sheets. Carbon you cannot draw into sheets. So the non-metal are non-malleable in nature, whereas metals are malleable in nature. In simple, we can say the property of material to be made into sheets is called malleability. Second is ductility. The property of metal to be drawn into wire, it is called its ductility. You can make wire of iron, you can make wire of aluminum, you can make wires of gold, you can make wires of silver, but you cannot make wires from sulfur and carbon. So the material of which you cannot make wires, they are generally non-metal, and the material of which you can make wires, they are called metals. So what is then ductility? The property of material to be made into wire is called its ductility. Then there is a property of conductivity. There are material in our surrounding, those are either good conductor or poor conductor. Metals are generally good conductor. Iron, aluminum, gold and silver, they are good conductor, whereas sulfur and carbon, they are poor conductor. So the property of material to conduct electricity, it is called conductivity. Then there is a property of sonorous, the ringing sound. When you drop coins onto the floor, it has some ringing sound. Or when you go to mandir, you just beat the ghanti, it has long lasting sound. This ringing sound producing behavior of material, it's called sonorous behavior or sonorous property of metal. Iron gives ringing sound, aluminum gives ringing sound, and likewise gold and silver. Whereas sulfur and carbon, they don't produce sonorous sound. So sonorous behavior is having with metals and it is not with non-metal.